In the quiet heart of Switzerland, precision is more than a tradition. It's an obsession. This is where engineering meets emotion. This is Sportec. Since 1997, they've taken the world's finest sports cars and made them better. On days like this, the air changes. Engines arrive like musical instruments waiting to be played. And the people, they are not just visitors, they are part of the family. Here, every nut and bolt is tightened with purpose. Every panel shaped with intent. Swiss craftsmanship refined over decades, woven into every detail. This is not mass production. This is performance built by hand. The Icon's Sportec creations, 964 Classic S. The featherweight sub 1000, 1,000 kilos of pure driving joy. And the Ferdinand S, 360 horses, everyone hand-built for the driver who refuses to compromise. But cars are not built to stand still. They are made to be driven, to be in contact with asphalt, to carve through Swiss mountain air. It's not just about machines. It's about the people who make them. And the ones lucky enough to drive them. For nearly 3 decades, Sportec has built cars for those who demand more. More feel, more precision, more everything. Sportec was founded by two gentlemen, Mr. Hodel and Mr. Höger, and emerged as one of Switzerland's pioneering company in tuning and performance enhancement. Philosophy of Sportec is to implement modifications that enhance vehicle safety and longevity only. On top of it, there is a Swiss-made quality. There is interesting history behind Sportec, full of evolution and technical achievements. In 1998, they introduced their first branded high-performance brakes. This was followed by award-winning designs like the Audi RS4 B5 and Mono 10 alloy wheels. 2005, Sportec set a world record as the fastest SUV. It was a Porsche Turbo SP 600M, reaching unbelievable 308 kilometers per hour. They held this record for over a decade. 2008 was a really big milestone for Sportec. They built their first complete car. It was a Porsche 997 Turbo, and Sportec created from it a unicorn SPR1 with a weight of 1,300 kilograms and 900 PS. There are only 6 cars built and still considered as one of the fastest road cars. In 2010, Sportec Racing was established by Andreas Hodel to satisfy customer demands for motorsport machinery. Sportec's many years of experience in the field of racing still has a significant influence on the development and optimization of road vehicles today. In 2018, pilot Ernst Keller wins 911 GT3 Cup class in the Porsche Sports Cup Championship with Sportec. In 2020, Sportec welcomes Gregor Burkhardt on board as a new CEO. In 2021, Sportec welcomes a DTM star and multiple Le Mans winner Marcel Fessler, who is bringing invaluable motorsport expertise. And in the same year, 2021, there is an opening of Werk 2, which means in English Plan 2, for even more place for vehicle lifts, measuring stations, storage and parking spaces for racing cars.
Sind ihr ready? Komm, links, rechts. 3, 2, 1, go!
I am glad to be part of unveiling new Ferdinand S. Ferdinand S is unique, crafted for those who don't collect but enjoy. Initial base price of this particular model is 571,911 Swiss francs. 4 units sold even before public unveiling, and on the left side this car was also sold already. Project Ferdinand S is the next generation of Project Ferdinand, which was introduced in 2022. We are speaking here about more power. When I compare Ferdinand to Ferdinand S, from 325 PS to 360, torque increase from 394 Newton meters to 420. Ferdinand S is also 10 kg less, and the engine is bigger from 3.8 liter to 4.0 liter. And here is my favorite sub 1000 from 2023. a lightweighted race car for the road built from the ground up based on the G model 911 and designed to weigh under 1000 kg. I love the orange color, and I have to say that it's one of my dreams to drive this car. Sportec also did a lot of weight-saving innovations like Kevlar and carbon fiber body panels, doors, bumpers, fenders, hood, ultralight mackerel on side and rear windows, and lightweight interior components and reduced insulation. Under the hood, you can find rebuilt either 3.4 or 3.6 liter air-cooled flat six producing from 315 to 345 and 340 to 380 Newton meters of torque according to the specification. There is a motorsport grade MCS suspension tuned by Marcel Fessler, custom chassis, brakes, intake and exhaust systems. And now let me show you the perfect atmosphere of open house at Sportec. Where to finish this video? I don't see any other opportunity to make some kind of video next to the Porsche Carrera GT, which is a very famous and very expensive car. Look at this. It's I'm out of words, but I have to finish today's video. It was a really great experience. Thank you, Sportec, for doing that. There were a lot of Porsches today, mainly Porsches. If you like this brand, I like it as well. if you have the possibility, just come here, visit the Sportec. They are doing this open house every year, so next year there is a possibility also for you to come here and to visit Sportec. And I wanted to tell you that it's really nice that people with this kind of cars that are coming here and showing us what they are doing, also from Sportec side, that they were showing to all the visitors the racing cars and the development they do. So a big thank you for that, and I hope we see us next year, and I hope you will like this video, and please subscribe and give me a like if you like my content. This will be something for me pushing me, you know, to make more videos, more quality videos and everything like that. So thank you very much and have a nice day.